Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in Tad.AI and I've got something awesome to show you. This is a new AI music generator and it allows you to create amazing songs with lyrics using just text prompts. It's based around genres and moods, and here's the thing, it's easy to use. And the best part about it, you can try it out for free. So join me, let's take a look. All right, so the first step's an easy one. Head over to their website, Tad.AI, links in the description below, and then just click on that link. Once you do that, you'll see this website here. You can click on sign up if you do not have an account, or sign in if you do. Also, take a look here when I click on pricing while I got you here. They do have a free account here, so you get 20 credits, which is about 4 songs that you can go ahead and use for free. So you could try it before you buy it, which is very, very fair. I have an account. I'm going to click on sign in. Now let me show you the back end, and let's show you some music that I've already created. So I'm going to show you just how good this is. All right, once you've logged in, you should see a screen that looks like this, and the first thing that strikes me is just how easy it is to use. If you take a look at the UI, the UX, I mean, it's just nice and navigable, super simple. I love it. It's clean, it's not cluttered, good stuff. In the middle here, you'll see some music. These are songs that I've created. These are the Bulldog songs that I've created, and then these are a few examples that other people created. And of course, you can click on reuse prompt. I'll show you that later. But here we go, guys. These are some of the songs that I've created. I want to show you, first off, before we go into the details and I show you how to create them, because there's a few things you can do, I want to show you just how good this is. I'm going to show you a few samples of some music that I created, so you know it's good, it's worth your time. Then I'll show you how to do it. Let's listen to the first one. Bulldog Send It. It's all called Bulldog Send It because that's what I titled it. And this one's got a metal style. Let's click on it and hear it. Rolling down the street with his face to the sun. Chunky little body, man, he's weighing a ton. Yeah, and if you didn't guess it, first off, I have a bulldog, and he's a chunky little monster, and I love him to death, and you know I was playing air guitar while that was going. You know I was. I'm behind here playing air guitar. So there's an example in the metal style, the metal genre, you know, a little bit of a upbeat mood there. Let's go ahead and listen to a different style. This one's called Bulldog Send It, same thing, but you know what? It's got a little bit of an Irish or a Celtic twinge. Listen to this version. Rolling down the street with his face to the sun. Chunky little body, man, he's weighing a ton. All right, yeah. I had to get out my dancing shoes. So, I mean, we've got the same lyrics and totally different styles. Pretty cool stuff. And then the last one, guys, if you want to listen to like some Rammstein type style, if you really want some rock here and you want to, like, you know, my dog sends it. That's the whole point of this. Listen to this one. Yeah, he's a total mad lad, a chunky unit, and he ships like FedEx. I put those lyrics in there to show you that, but there you go, guys. Those are fantastic snippets. Now, let me show you how to create them. All right, so there's some samples, and yeah, they're good. Now, let's cook. First thing you can do up here is enter a song title. I am going to go ahead and just call this one Bulldog Smash because I'm original like that, all right? It's all about my bulldog. You get it. I get it. Second thing, lyrics. Now, here's where it gets interesting. We can do 2 things here. You have a song that you've written. You've got your own lyrics. Write them in there. And this is an example. I said a song about a bulldog that just sends it. He's a total mad lad, a chunky unit, and he ships like FedEx. I am copying and pasting those lyrics in verbatim, and it will go ahead and create a song with those lyrics. That is the first way. The second way, and this is where the AI really comes in, is you can have AI generate lyrics for you. So all you got to do here is hover over AI generate, click on it, watch this. It says, tell us about your song. So you get this little pop-up, and this is about a bulldog that smashes into mailboxes with his chest like a total champion. Something like that. I'm just having some fun here. You could type in anything you want. I'm just having some fun because that's how my dog works. He likes to bang into mailboxes. So there we go. I'm going to click on OK. There you go. That's a little bit about our song. Now, if you're, of course, a little bit more of a prompt engineer, or you got a little bit more in there in terms of, hey, I want this song to be about this and that and the other, go ahead and do that. It has already cooked up a verse. It's cooked up the whole song, actually. Look at this. Rolling down the street in the morning light, got my bulldog buddy ready for a fight. With a chest of steel and a heart of gold, he's the king of the block. Watch his story unfold. All right. All right, smash, smash. He's the champion hound. Okay, so this is great. We just clicked on AI generate. It gave us a song. If we don't like it, we can always just delete it and run it again and just till we get what we want, right? So there's the first thing we can do. Let's go down a little further here. You can click on create and just go with that. But if you click on the advanced features, this is where you can have some fun. So first thing, genre. Like Tad.AI kind of revolves around these two things. Pick your genre and then pick your mood, right? And then it's going to go ahead and use some sort of AI alchemy to cook something up for you. So for genre, like, you know what? If I've got a bulldog smashing into mailboxes like my dog likes to do, I would go with something heavier like metal, but we've already done a metal version. So you want to do rap? Let's rap it. Yeah, let's rap it. Okay, let's do a rap. And do I want rock or rap? I think I want rap. Okay, let's go with rap. For mood, well, this is not, I wouldn't say angry, but it's kind of like, it's pretty upbeat. It's pretty epic. Okay, you know what? Let's go with epic. I like that. Obviously, you can go ahead and pick and choose as you see fit, but this is literally all there is to it. I'm going to go and click on create and watch this. This process from going from create to full song, pardon me, it takes about 30 seconds. I'm going to come back when it's done. It's creating 2 songs for us. When they're done, I'll show you what they sound like, and then we'll wrap it all up. All right, welcome back. So that took 45 seconds, but we got 2 full songs out of this. This first one is 2 minutes and 24 seconds. The second one is 2 minutes and 8 seconds. I haven't even listened to them yet, but I know they're going to be good. So let's listen to the top one and see what it sounds like. Epic rap.
Rolling down the street in the morning light. Got my bulldog buddy ready for a fight.
All right, there we go. So it's pretty, it's pretty subdued. It's low key, but it's got that rap angle to it. Let's go to the second one. Let's see what this one sounds like.
Rolling down the street in the morning light. Got my bulldog buddy ready for a fight.
All right, so there's just 2 really good examples. Now, if I wanted to go ahead and create maybe a different version of it, like let's say instead of rap, I want it to be rock, and instead of epic, I wanted it to be, I don't know, let's go with an angry rock song. I just had to go ahead and click those 2 buttons, click on create. Watch this. It's going to go ahead and create 2 more versions of this, and I'm showing this to you because if you don't get it exactly the way you want it the first time, not to panic, just go over to the left side, click on a couple different genres, click on a different mood. If you want to change the verse part of me or some of the lyrics, just go ahead and instead of saying story unfold, story fold up, just hit it. You can go ahead and type in and overwrite it. You can change the genre, the moods. You can change the music, the lyrics itself. Here's another couple examples here. I ran an example with rock, and I got it angry, and I just hit create again. It created 2 new songs, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's listen to the top one here. Yeah.
Rolling down the street in the morning light.
All right, it's got a little bit of even a country twinge in the singing there. Pretty damn good. Let's listen to the other one. Why not?
Rolling down the street in the morning light.
Fantastic, guys. So there is just a little bit of what you can do with Tad.AI. If you like a certain song, of course, you could just click on the download button here, and presto, it's downloaded. Keep in mind, these are royalty-free, they're copyright-free, so you can use them on your YouTube videos, your social media accounts. Nothing to worry about there. If you want to share them, you can share them to your social media accounts. It's all there, guys. It's easy to use. It's easy to navigate. It creates fantastic stuff, and it is definitely worth a look. I put a link in the description below. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Thanks for watching.